Hello everyone and welcome to the Knitwolf Cast-On Series video number 2. Today we've got the second cast-on in the basic longtail or all-purpose longtail section, the German twisted. It has these nice looking little twists along the edge, and because of them it has quite a bit more stretch than the standard longtail. Here we go. Leave a tail about 3 times the length of the finished edge and start with a slip knot or a twist in the standard slingshot position. And we're going to start by inserting the needle underneath both of the strands on the thumb and then coming down and into that same loop. Then we reach over and grab the working yarn on the index finger from above and bring that working yarn through the bottom X here, the one that's closest to the needle. Drop the yarn off the thumb and gently pull to tighten. So if we think back to the standard longtail, the only thing that we're really changing is that the thumb loop here has this X. We're still reaching for the working yarn and bringing it through the thumb loop. It's just no longer this open thumb loop. It has an X in the middle and it has a top section and a bottom section, and we want to bring the working yarn through the bottom section that is closest to the needle. The trick is to not over tighten the thumb loop here. If this here gets too tight, it becomes harder and harder to get through that bottom X because it's gonna get smaller and smaller. So especially at the beginning when you're trying to get the motion down, you want to keep things more on the loose side here so that you have a nice big section to go through when you bring the working yarn through. And that's it. That's the German twisted longtail. Like the standard longtail, it creates the edge and also 1 row of knit stitches. So the first row after the cast on is a wrong side row. Here are some angles and sides when it's used on a garter, stockinette, and 1x1 rib, and that's it. Next up is the third and final longtail cast on in the basic section, the double start. Thanks for watching. Bye!